So we just had our first DRONECIDENT. I'm feeling a bit.
Yikes! Good morning.
Heyo.
We are driving from Golden. Today's gonna be a really long day. We were supposed to be, not supposed to, we are driving all the way to Whistler today. It's already about 1 o'clock.
And we're going to the beach. So it's gonna be a long day because Whistler is 8 hours away.
But
and,
we're following the Grows, Emma, Jack, and Meg right now to a beach that's on the way. So we're like, we want to spend more time with them. Might as well do something today and then just have a really long day of driving this evening.
Because this evening, Danica is arriving in Vancouver and
Yay!
Max is gonna be picking her up, and then we're gonna meet them in
Whistler.
Baskin Lake Resort because we're going to the beach.
Yeah, we followed these guys and this is a pretty dusty road. Danny's gonna need a wash after this.
That was a crazy road. Not that crazy, just dusty. And now we're walking down this path.
We can't stay for too long because we still have 8 hours of driving.
Yeah, we just took off maybe what, 40?
A quick little swim and then probably head out.
But this water is just
amazing.
Amazing. I did not expect this.
My leg is like shaking.
Keith, how was it?
Oh my god, so we just had our first DRONECIDENT. And it was scary, I gotta say. We had a timer on for the thumbnail, and it just, the remote fell off the chair, joystick got stuck, and it started flying into the trees.
So put it on a surface that doesn't tip. Look, it's all good. Go, Droney.
Droney's fine.
Droney's fine.
Time to wrap it up though.
DRONECIDENT.
Sadly, we have to leave these beautiful people.
Yeah, we've been like really extending our stay.
Just a little bit, because then it's dead.
It's definitely 3:20 right now, and we have an 8-hour drive ahead of ourselves.
We
so
were gonna
it's really
leave
fun.
last night,
Yeah.
but anyhow.
They're good at making us stay.
They're fun. So,
Thank you guys for everything.
thank you very much, guys.
We'll see you on the return.
Yes. We'll
Yeah, see you on the way back.
Very,
For many
very
days.
soon.
See ya, good to see you.
See you, dude.
Yeah. I didn't like that.
Thank you so
Hi,
much.
buddy.
Thank you
Thanks
so
for
much.
coming. We'll see
Keep
you
my
on the way
hat
back.
back. Buddy,
See you,
dude.
dude. Good to
Thank
see you,
you so
man.
much.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you
problem.
so much, dude.
See
No
ya.
problem.
And thank you.
See you guys soon.
See you guys on the way back.
Bye, camera. Bye, Vanny.
Wet hugs there.
Bye. See
And
you guys.
And Droney.
And
Droney.
Droney.
Bye,
Droney.
We will.
Don't have fun in Whistler. We're turning around.
Turn around right away, okay? We'll take you rafting again.
We haven't even got off the dirt road and there's a train stopped in front of the train tracks.
Yeah, and who knows how long it's been here and how long it's going to be here. I'm feeling a bit
Yikes!
unsure about this. Because we did see a train earlier, and is this the same one?
I hope not.
Like, how long is... We're also in the boons, so... I don't know. Maybe he doesn't feel guilty being parked here, you know? So it's like, he might be here for an hour? I have no idea. I'm hoping it's just a normal crossing.
Yikes. Yeah.
This guy's fully stopped.
And we have 8 hours of driving to do today. Oh God, Keith.
Well, it's not that bad because we do 2, 2, 2, 2. Or I do 3 and you do 2.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. I just more mean I don't like driving at night. That's all. We'll let you know when this train passes. And the train is off! Hooray! We can go! Now let's go, like he said, before another one comes! Ah! Right, I think we have about 6.5 hours left in our drive. We're still here chilling. But just wanted to bring you along with us and show you that we are leaving the clear skies.
It's getting smoky again.
Smoky.
But yeah, it's smoky over there. Might have to wear a mask, but I think we can expect to get into the smoke and get through it today because it should be nice in Whistler.
That's the goal. This is the closest we've been to a wildfire so far, and I don't know if you can tell, but the sky is literally orange.
We did see an orange sky when we were in Golden, but that's because it was nighttime. But this is an orange sky during the day. It's pretty crazy. All of a sudden, just the entire lighting changed.
Yeah.
Also, it smells very smoky.
Yeah, it smells so smoky right now.
So apparently, this random rest stop is where the last spike was put into the railway, completing the Canadian Pacific Railway across Canada. How cool is that?
That's so cool. We just stopped here by accident. And Canada's such a cool place. Sorry, the lighting's a little strange. It's very sunny out.
It's
and
super hot and sunny.
not really any smoke. The smoke's all going the other way.
Yeah, keep driving, get less and less smoke. We are in the really nice area. It is so beautiful and hot here. It's an entirely different climate than where we were before.
I'm just enjoying another Sammy on the road.
There's Sammy. Devin's driving. I've been editing.
We passed the Dairy Queen and we both were like, do you want Dairy Queen? And we were both like, yeah.
I was like, Dev, Dairy Queen. And so here we are in line. Dev, what do we get?
We got blizzards.
Oh
They're
my.
replacing our coffees. It's gonna be a great trip. We still have 3 hours. Might as well make it enjoyable-er.
Enjoyabler.
It's so cool. I literally feel like we're in the Wild West, but we're in BC.
Yeah, what was it called again? Cache Creek.
Yeah.
Cache Creek is really cool. Yeah, it's like this old Western 50s style town with A&Ws and diners and Dairy Queens. I don't know, just has a old school vibe to it.
He also got himself a burger.
I did get a burger. I didn't mention that. I had to. Dairy Queen burgers, I don't have them very much, and I think I have to compare them to everything else. First of all, it tastes great. It's like one of those clean burgers. It's not messy. It's compact. I like how it stays together like this, and it tastes pretty good. Slurpy slurp. Did we just come across another fire?
Yeah, I think we're about to go towards one. Super fun. We're like, holy smokes, came around the corner. Bam.
Bam. Nuts, eh?
So scary. Yeah, we're concentrating on driving. Alright, Keith is beside me. He's taking over driving again. It's dark, and we're in literally this mountainous roads we've been in.
It's so mountainous. It's really cool. It reminds you of like the coast of California when you're not on the coast, but just inside, weaving through the mountains before you get back out.
So we have about an hour and a half left of driving.
Devin saw a deer, and it was really close.
It was really scary.
So we were very lucky, but we've been a bit anxious since then.
Yeah, when I was driving and there was cars on the other side and I avoided it and it was fine, but Anyway, so I just am excited for this hour and a half to be over with. That's all.
We made it.
Woohoo!
The last 2 hours went by like they were 6 hours.
It's 11:39 right now.
Here in Whistler.
Yeah,
so it's
12:39 in
for
Golden.
golden time.
Yeah, Kate did an awesome job driving. Those were some crazy roads.
The mountains though, it's kind of interesting. So after the deers and the sort of the animals, it got like really switchbacky and like really hilly. We could smell our brakes. It was really steep, I'm not gonna lie. Like I feel like we climbed up into the Rockies in the last like week, right? And then we just did all that downhill within like 40 minutes. So
we're here now, so
we made it.
We think at least we're gonna go see if we can find Max and Danica.
Let's get some energy. Muster up some energy to say hi to our buddies.
And then go to sleep.
There we are. You see him?
There, okay.
So thanks for watching.
No, like when I shimmer it back and forth.
And it's stone?
Shiny, kind of. And there's big
It's like
chunks of it
a
everywhere.
dinosaur park is